What is gut? In this video we will know about gut and human microbiome. We will also see microbiota and their function in human gut and health wellness. Let's start with gut. In short, our gastrointestinal system, which includes our stomach, intestines, and colon, is referred to as gut. Main function of gut is the absorption and digestion of nutrients from our food and excretion of excess body wastes out of the body, while microbiome refers to collective genomes of microorganisms in a particular environment. Next, we see about microbiota. What is microbiota? Microbiota is whole community of microorganisms collectively present in a microbiome. These microorganisms include bacteria, fungi, viruses, and protozoa. Approximately 100 trillion of these microorganisms are present in human gastrointestinal tract. To understand role of gut in human health, let's first understand about the working of gut. When food is digested in G-tract, it is broken down into valuable nutrients. Walls of gut absorb these nutrients so that they can be further transported to the bloodstream. This is the main function of G-tract. For the regulation of this whole processes, gut uses nerves, hormones, and mainly bacteria. The bacteria are most important because of several reasons. Bacteria forms a mucosal layer around the gut wall and strengthens it. What is gut-brain connection? The gut-brain connection is the communication system between gut and brain and is usually called as gut-brain axis. This connection is developed both physically and chemically, affecting each other in a number of different ways. These ways include neurotransmitters, the vagus nerve, and the nervous system. Gut microbes allow other chemicals to affect brain. Gut microbes affecting inflammation and role of probiotics and prebiotics in gut-brain axis. Next, we will look at these ways and their role in maintaining this gut-brain connection. Going into the process of communication between gut and brain, first the vagus nerve and nervous system. The main connection between gut and brain is through the vagus nerve, which sends signals directly in both sides. Human nervous system contains 100 billion neurons. Apart from this, there are separate 500 million neurons in gut which are connected to brain through nerves. Also, inhibition in these signals causes gastrointestinal problems. Next, we have neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are the chemicals produced in brain that controls our feelings and emotions. Many of these neurotransmitters are also produced by our gut cells by gut microbes, for example serotonin, GABA, simply known as gamma-aminobutyric acid. They have functions like control of fear and anxiety. Many other chemicals are also produced by microbes living in our gut that directly affects working of brain. For example, SASFA or short-chained fatty acids are produced by gut by digesting fiber. These fatty acid acts to reduce appetite and hunger. These fatty acids, along with other microbes, are also important in forming barrier between blood and brain known as the blood-brain barrier. The gut-brain axis is also connected to our immune system. Further, we see how this system works. Gut and microbes present in gut controls the process of passing and excretion of materials in body. In this way, they play a role in immune system and inflammation. Switching off of the immune system for a long period of time leads to inflammation and brain disorders like Alzheimer's disease and depression. Prebiotics and probiotics also affect the gut-brain axis. For example, some probiotics, also referred to as psychobiotics, improves symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression. Similarly, taking prebiotics, which are typically fibers, reduce the amount of stress hormone cortisol. In this way, changing gut bacteria improves our brain health. Next, we look at some foods that helps the gut-brain axis. What foods helps the gut-brain axis? Some foods that helps the gut-brain axis are foods that are rich in fiber. These foods include whole grains, husk, bran bread, etc. These foods contain prebiotic fiber that are good for gut bacteria. Next are the fats containing omega-3 acids. Foods containing omega-3 acids increase good bacteria in gut, thereby reducing brain disorders. These foods include fats present in cod liver oil, fish, etc. Healthy microbes present in fermented foods like yogurt, cheese helps brain activity. Others include foods that contain amino acids like polyphenol and tryptophan. These foods include green tea, coffee, olive oil, eggs, cocoa.